All right, y'all. So everything right now is looking good for Saitama. Everything is also looking good for Saitama versus the market. All right. Now, like I said, Saitama has been holding their own in this market, and it is a good thing. Now, some individuals may say, well, the market is pumping now, and that's why we're seeing a good price. And remember, y'all, too, at the recording of this video, this is not the current price on Saitama. The current price is like three at the 2033. All right, we all know that coin market cap is not going to keep things updated. All right, but when we look at the market is actually showing decent. We're at the 1 trillion market cap for a while now. But like I said, I know that there's a lot of positivity going on, and I hope that this stays. I hope that this stays as it is for a decent amount of time. We know that this is going to go down, but the thing is this right here: when it comes to Saitama is still continuing to move on their own. Okay, regardless of what the market is doing, y'all. And I told y'all, in this market right here, Saitama is going to receive a pump. Saitama is good for receiving boosts when the market boosts. Okay, and the thing is this: when the market goes down, Saitama has a knack for staying above certain averages. Okay, when the market goes down. All right, so and like I said, that also has a lot to do with the investors pouring their money into a hot project like Saitama and leaving it there when the market goes down. That shows strong stability in the charts and things like that. And it also has to do with a lot of the holders coming in. But if we look at the market, I mean, we're at a $1 trillion market cap. This is actually a good thing because, as you know, in my opinion, we're in like a mini recession. Okay, and when you have a like mini recession, you need more than the norm pumps out of the markets like this, because the thing is this: we're not getting that out of the stock market. I don't know when the stock market is going to change or switch over. All right, but right now, when it comes to crypto is in my opinion, if you're not into real estate or anything like that, of course you got like gold and all of that stuff out there too. But when it comes to crypto, I mean, when it comes to the state of the economy, when it comes to the inflation state that we're in, when it comes to the recession or the mini recession that we're in, and I'm not scared to say that, y'all, we're in a mini recession. Okay, when it comes to things like that, the best thing you could do is if you don't have your money sitting into like like savings accounts, or you don't have it sitting into like stable coins and stuff like that. If you want your money to move, the best thing to do is to put your money, okay, well, at least me, I will put my money into like some of the hottest projects out there. You all do your own research, do what you want to do. All right, but when you see things like this, you want to see Bitcoin pumping. All right. Not only that, you want to see Ethereum pumping. When you see Bitcoin pumping and Bitcoin getting to a newer all-time high, not the newest, which is like 60K, but when you see it getting into like the 22K range, okay, because you know that it's been fluctuating mostly between the 19 and the 20 range. You want to see these trends. We have not seen these trends, even with the past many pumps. We have not seen these trends. This is the highest we've seen Ethereum and also in a long time. Okay, so you want to see the two big dogs up here, and the thing is this: when you see that, that's actually going to make it good for Saitama. We know that Saitama has gotten as high as the 234s. Okay, they've gotten as high as the 234s, and that is a good thing. All right. So Saitama is also, I believe, getting into a trend right now. Saitama is going to show some all-time highs. Okay, I'm going to tell you right like this: do not be surprised if close to Sata Pro, that Saitama breaks the 4 mark. Do not be surprised. Do not be surprised if they get close to also the 5 mark. Saitama is going to have a new all-time high. All right, I believe that we're going to get closer and closer to that 1 cent. Okay, I believe that we're going to be in one cent territory. Okay, because you have to understand this. Say that we have catalysts coming up. Individuals know this. Look at. I'm gonna tell you right now. Look at Sheeb. Look at a project like Sheeb. Look at how Sheeb have a lot of catalysts coming up, future catalysts, and look how a lot of those whales pour into those projects. Look how a lot of the whales pour into projects like Sheeb. Okay, you are going to have a situation right now where Shiba's actually going to get on a roll. A lot of these individuals, when you look around the crypto space, okay, there are not a lot of stable projects to really consistently park your money into. Consistently. There are some that you can put your money into, but not consistently. Leave your money there, okay? When you look at Saitama right now, okay, Saitama right now is a project that a lot of individuals are going to get hip to. A lot of whales, a lot of wealth entities are going to pour their money into, okay? And this project is going to show its stability in the market. Now, like I said, I don't know where the market right now is going to go. It looks like we're trying to go into a downtrend in the red. We'll see how long it stays above this $1 trillion market cap. But in my opinion, it may not stay above there longer because, like I said, despite us seeing positivity in the market, all right, the market is going to trend downwards more than that. And you have to understand, this is also in connection with our economy, with inflation. Inflation is not over with. And like I said, they've also added, okay, a 1.9, a 9.1% rate hike, okay, to the already inflation that we have. So it's just a matter of time before, we do see that downtrend, and you're going to see individuals start to pour their money out of certain projects. People start to pour their money out of Bitcoin, because you got to understand, people put their money in Bitcoin to follow the pump. Once the trend starts going back down, as we can see here, looks like we're going to hit that back to that 21 range. It's happening right here on the video. Okay, we're going to head back to that 21K range, and individuals are going to start pulling their money back out. Okay, but you have to understand this: when individuals pull their money out of Bitcoin, they're going to also start pulling their money out of the market period, also to buy goods and stuff like that. Because like I said, we're in inflation right now. Individuals are going to need money. So when people follow the market pump, believe me, they're going to pull their profits out. All right, so we can't get too distracted and too upset when we see the market going the way it is. All right, and when we look right here, this right here is what individuals want to avoid. This is what I'm seeing that a lot of investors are starting to want to avoid. They want to avoid putting their money here, because one thing about this, some investors are impatient. They don't have time for their money to be sitting in stable coins like Tether USD. Like Tether USDT or the USD coin. All right. This right here is like putting your money into a stable account. What I'm noticing now in the trend is that a lot of these investors want to see their money move. Okay. You put your money here, it's like putting it into a savings account. You're not getting no kind of returns. So instead of having your money sitting here in these stable coins, what individuals are doing, they're finding projects like Saitama, hot projects, and they're putting their money into projects like this. All right. So look, y'all, the charts is looking good. The investors are responding good to the project. Even investors who are looking to park their money elsewhere. All right. And remember, y'all, every now will be history tomorrow. And y'all either have patience in this crypto investing space or lose in the end. And you don't want to be a loser. This is my video, and I will catch y'all on the up and up. Howdy.